Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever built a Qlik Sense dashboard that felt overcrowded with too many charts and visualizations? In this tutorial, you will learn how to use buttons, variables, and show conditions to create a dynamic dashboard where users can display only the information they want to see. Instead of you creating multiple sheets, we will build a single dashboard that can switch between sales analysis, profit analysis, and orders analysis with the click of a button. These techniques help create cleaner dashboard, improve user experience, and makes your applications feel more interactive and professional. For this demo, we are using a retail performance data set. This data set contains month, category, sales, profit, and orders. We will use this data to build three different analysis views: sales analysis, profit analysis, and orders analysis. Our goal here is to allow users to switch between these views without leaving the current sheet. The first step is creating a variable. If you don't know how to create a variable, please refer to our previous video on how to create a variable. Okay, so I have created a variable called v container. And the default value for that variable is 1. Okay, these variables control which charts are visible on the dashboard. We are using the following logic. One equals sale analysis. 2 equals profit analysis. And 3 equals orders analysis. As users click buttons, the variable value changes. That value will determine which chart appear on the screen. Okay? Next, I have created three buttons. Sale analysis, profit analysis, and orders analysis. The profit button, let's start with the sales button. The sales button is set to 1. The profit button is set to 2 and the orders button is set to 3. That means what? So for the sales button, our variable v container is equals to 1. Okay? For the profit buttons, we set it to v container equals to 2. And for our order button set, we set it to v container equals 3. This allows users to control what information is displayed. Let's look at the dashboard, retail performance dashboard. At the top of at the top we have 3 KPIs: total sales, total profit, and total orders. We also have filters for month and category. Below these KPIs, this is where the dashboard becomes interesting. Our first set of chart focus on sales analysis. The first chart displays sales by category. The second chart shows the monthly sales trend. This chart should only appear when v container is equals 1. To accomplish this, we apply a show condition. V container equals 1. When the expression evaluates to true, the chart are displayed. When the expression evaluates to false, the chart are hidden. Next, we create the profit analysis view. This view contains profit distribution by category and monthly profit trend. This chart should only appear when V container equals 2. When users click the profit analysis button, the variable changes and the dashboard automatically switches views. You can see that. The sales chart disappeared. You can see we don't have the sales chart. After we click the button profit analysis, okay, we see um, monthly sales trend and profit distribution by category. Finally, we created the orders analysis view. This view contains orders by category, monthly orders trend. These charts are displayed only when V container equals 3. So our show condition there is V container is equals 3. When orders button is clicked, the dashboard switches again. This creates a clean and professional user's experience. You can see that. So let me show you how the show condition set up to 3. Right there. Show condition equals to 3. Let's test everything. When the application loads, the variable value is 1. The sales analysis chart are displayed. Now, I will click profit analysis. Notice the sales chart disappear. Next, I will click Orders Analysis. The profit chart disappear and the order chart become visible. Disappear and the order chart becomes visible. Users can now switch between multiple dashboard views without navigating to another sheet. Many developers create separate sheets for every analysis view. While that works, it can create unnecessary navigation and make dashboard harder to use. Using buttons, variables, and show conditions allow you to reduce dashboard clutter, improve user experience, create more interactive applications. Okay, display only the information users need. This technique is commonly used in enterprise dashboard and executive reporting applications. So just for recap, you can also see here on my current view, it also tells me which of the view I am on. So it says current view here, it says analysis. You can see when I click on the profit view, it's going to say profit analysis. Um, you can see that. Um, if I click on others view, it tells me what view is there, and so on and so forth. I also use a layout container to build this. Since we're using Qlik Cloud, so I use layout container to build uh, this dashboard. In this tutorial, guys, you have learned how to create dynamic dashboard views using buttons and variables in Qlik Sense. We created a variable to control visibility. We created buttons to update the variables. And we use show condition we use show condition to display the appropriate chart. This is simple but powerful technique that can make your dashboard more interactive and easier to use. If you found this tutorial, guys, helpful, please subscribe for more Qlik Sense tutorials, dashboard development tips, business intelligence content, and AI for BI analysts. Thanks again for watching.